Welcome everyone to the preliminary round of GenBiz quiz organized by Quest SGGSCC. So the rules of the quiz are there will be 20 questions. Each question is worth 1 point. Question 5, 10, 15 and 20 are star marked. Answers are to be submitted through Google Forms and please refrain from googling as there might be Google traps in the quiz. So the first question, in January 2021, Beyonce launched her clothing line Ivy Park in collaboration with Adidas. Fans of the artist pointed out on social media that the color scheme of her clothing line mimicked the staff uniforms of X, an American fast food chain. Beyonce's collection sold within a week, and X marketing team responded by launching a 10-piece collection of hoodies, tracksuits, shorts, etc., which resembled Ivy Park. X clothing line was much cheaper and it featured its actual employees modeling the collection. So you have to identify X, which is an American fast food chain. This is the picture of the clothing line. Next question. Rami is one of the strongest natural fibers and was widely used in ancient times. Rami fiber is known especially for its ability to hold shape, reduce wrinkling, and to introduce a silky luster to the fabric appearance. However, it will not dye as well as cotton. Rami's resistance to bacteria and mildew made it as an appropriate option along with linen for what specific purpose in the ancient times. Next question. Colgate, one of the world's biggest consumer brands, started as a soap, candle, and perfume maker, but its foray into toothpaste is what made the firm famous. Colgate revolutionized the world of toothpaste by doing something innovative, something which seems very obvious now. The brand's tagline from 1908 suggests the change. We could not improve the product, so we improved the dash. What did Colgate do to revolutionize their market? So this is a pretty workable question. You can guess the answer from the question itself. Next question. Identify the brand advertised here. So this is the poster of the brand and you have to guess the brand from this. Next question. When the soldiers from the Second World War came back home, they came back with a culture of riding bikes. Unlike the bike sent to the army, most people would heavily customize their bike by cutting fenders, sissy bars, etc. These bikes are often seen as a form over function. However, their constant presence in pop culture has made them one of the most desired bikes. The way that these bikes are customized gives them their name, and you have to identify that name. Next, this dessert should ideally be consumed by people who are sad or depressed, going by the meaning of its name in its native language, most likely referring to the two caffeinated ingredients that are present in the dish, espresso and cocoa. It originated in the 1960s or 70s in a European country. It is one of the most widely known and loved desserts on the planet. Which dessert is being talked about here? And this is a pretty famous dessert. Next question. This public sector bank set up one of a kind branch when it opened in a village in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. The bank has taken this bold step despite the center's strive for using high technology for this fundamental purpose in both private and public banks. The bank took note of the general public belief of this village. What is so unique about this branch of UCO Bank? Next question. Dash is a term from crowd psychology, which means that humans wait for one victim to start doing something before they all join in. In nature, this theory is seen in the behavior of X. When they are hungry, X keep standing on the beach, but no one wants to dive into the ocean first. Then suddenly, one X jumps into the ocean, confirming that there is no threat from other animals. After a while, the group also drives in. So you have to fill in the blank and you have to tell that term from crowd psychology. Founded in 1927, these chain stores were originally known as Dash stores, as some of its stores featured genuine Alaskan totem poles in front of the stores. The company was rebranded after approximately 2 decades of their operation, and the new name reflected the extended hours of operation at that time. The company extended its operations in Japan in the 90s, and the subsidiary in Japan became so profitable that it ended up buying its own parent company. So you have to identify the company, which is a chain store. Next question. David Riley, an artist, in 2011 lectured at New Museum in New York City about X. He coined the term X dilemma. He stated that something so practical and useful has associated with immaturity and lack of sophistication. He said that there is an unfortunate disconnect between what it is and what it is represented as. X acts as a fashion accessory during the present time. Back in 2015, it was also known as bunch bangle and is still relevant, and you have to identify X. So nowadays you can see X everywhere. What does this image here represent? This is something you must have seen last year. The sales of X have declined by 15% since 2007, that is, the year of the very first iPhone release. Supermarket checkout lines, which are strategically stocked with magazines and candies, were a major point of sales for X. The idea behind this was that consumers waiting in line to pay would look around and make an impulse purchase. But now, customers are always on their phones in checkout lines and no longer have time to buy X in boredom. What is X, which is a self describing product? Next question. Dash is a form of stop motion animation where each animated piece, including characters and backgrounds, is created out of a malleable substance X. Each frame is recorded on film and then played back in quick succession to give the appearance of movement. Popular examples of Dash movies are Chicken Run, Wallace and Gromit, and Coraline. Fill in the blank with a portmanteau. X is a term used for a particular kind of investors who tend to ignore negative news during a bearish market and are in the hope that their investments won't get affected by the negative news. X investors believe that if they do not know how their portfolio is doing, it might somehow survive and come out all right. So you have to identify X, and you can connect the nature of these investors to something in nature. Layberry is a fruit-based drink with a faintly spicy taste. This drink, however, is not just another sugary drink one finds in Tetra packs, as it claims to contain a good dose of vitamins and antioxidants, which could reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. It was developed in a laboratory owned by X in Ladakh, something you wouldn't associate with developing a drink. Made from the Sebuckthorn plants to increase strength in army personnel, it was widely accepted by consumers and has apparently become a favorite add on to vodka for many in metros such as Mumbai and Delhi. Identify X who developed this drink. So you have to identify the entity. Next question. This is the picture of the drink. Next question. Which Bangalore based fintech firm tweeted this due to the appearance of their logo? This is the picture of the tweet by the company. Next question. St. Lucia is famous for its Nobel laureates, its own beer, and drive-in volcano. It was named after St. Lucy of Syracuse. It is believed that French sailors who were shipwrecked on the island on the feast day of St. Lucy named it so in her honor. What unique feat does St. Lucia jointly share with Ireland? Next question. The following is a picture of people protesting for something in X, a city in Germany. X also became the first German city to declare something related to the cause. The city gives name to an accessory usually worn by men. Take a careful look at the picture and simply tell what they are protesting for. Also give X. So this is a picture of the protesters. Next question. Identify the establishment from the logo. Aptly named, a X in billiards is a player skilled at very thin cut shots and shots in which a ball must pass cleanly through a very narrow space to avoid a foul or to pocket a ball. Such shots may also be called as dash shots, dash cuts, or simply as the activity that a X performs. Identify X. So this was the last question. Thank you everyone for participating in the quiz, and please submit your forms before the